Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Creations. On this episode, I'll be showing you how to make crispy chicken wings in the oven. Yes, in the oven. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I have 3 pounds of chicken wings that I had already washed and cleaned and trimmed. So what I'm going to do now is grab some paper towel to remove all the moisture from it. Just pat it nice. Just pat it right in there. Get all that water, all that moisture out so we can have some crispy wings. Look at all this moisture. So we'll continue doing it until it's nice and dry. And while I'm doing this, go ahead and set your oven to 250 degrees. 250. So what I'm going to do now is take my cooking spray and just basically spray this rack. So the chicken doesn't get stick to it. Okay. So go ahead and add the baking powder to the chicken wings. Just mix it in. So after adding the baking powder to this, add paprika, onion powder, and garlic to it. At this point, you don't want to add any seasoning that have salt in it because it will draw out the moisture from the chicken and your chicken will not turn crispy with the baking powder that we're using. And make sure you don't use baking soda in this, just baking powder to make it nice and crispy. Okay, go ahead and place them on the rack with the skin face up. And guys, I kid you not, every time I make these, they always come out so good. And I normally use a garlic Parmesan sauce, or you can just eat these with your favorite dipping sauce. Wait till you see these. They're gonna come out so perfect and crispy. Okay guys, go ahead and put this in the oven and let them bake for 30 minutes. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, this is how they're looking. So what do you want to do now? Turn your heat up to 425 degrees for another 40 to 50 minutes until they're brown and crispy. Okay guys, this is the final product. The chicken is so nice and juicy and golden. Don't tell me this doesn't look good. I cannot wait to dig in. Okay guys, thanks for joining me on this episode. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.